Hello guys, first of all thank you so much for joining in. This is my first video on my channel and this is all about coding questions. Now we have one question which is for an integer n, find the number of trailing zeros in n factorial and n is from 1 to 10 raised to the power 9. So what are trailing zeros? First of all, trailing zeros are nothing but let's say 5 factorial. Factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into and but this is equal to 120. So how many trailing zeros are there? Only one. Trailing zeros means the zeros at the end of the number. Okay. So we have to find the number of zeros in the n factorial. So let's get started. First of all, we have to take scanner class, scanner, and we will take a variable sc and create a new keyword and then scanner system.in. Okay, for taking inputs. Now we will take int n is equal to sc dot next int for reading my input, and n is what the factorial we will be taking input. Now for solving this question, one method is by first solving the factorial and then checking if the n digit is 0 or not. Okay, but it will be applicable for only 15 to 20 numbers, and then the number will be so much big, the number will longer than the long can hold. So we will be trying another method. What we have to find is 0, and we know how 0 becomes, how 10 becomes by 5 and 2. Okay, and here in this one 5, how many times 5 we are getting? 5 only one times. And 2, how many times we are getting 2? 2 into 2 into 2, which is 4 into 2, which is 8. Okay, so we are having 1, 5 and 3 twos. Okay, 3 twos, but we are getting 1 0. So which concludes that by taking only 5, we can show that we are getting 1 5, we can show that we are getting 1 0. Okay, because let's say from 1 to 5 we are getting how many fives? 1, but we are getting 2 and 4. So 5 is getting minimum repetition. Okay, so 5 is the only one which will be playing out the whole role. Okay, so we will be doing this part. 5 factorial, we have, let's say we have 5 factorial, we will divide it by 5. What we are getting? 1. Okay, and 1 is what? The number of 0. See, what would have been if we have 20 factorial? Okay, 20 factorial is this one. This is the number. Okay, that's why I was saying that for 15 to 20 factorial, we can get these numbers. We can get these zeros by first going for factorials and then by counting the zeros. But for more upper values, we cannot do that. Okay, but we are getting 4 zeros. Okay, so 20 by 5 is equal to 4. But what if we have more than that? Let's say we have 100 factorial. Then we will divide it by 5, which is 40. Okay, then what we will do? Then we will be dividing it by 25. We are also having the numbers which are 25. Okay, which are multiple of 25. We have numbers of that also. Okay, like 25, 50, 75, 100, which are multiples of 25. So we have the repetition of 5 also in that numbers. Okay, so we will be dividing by 25, which is equal to 8. Okay, Now a number which is 125 also, and in that 125 we have 3 5. What we'll be doing is 200 divided by 125 is equal to 1. Okay, then how many are there? 48 and 1, which is 49, which is what? 49. Okay, this is the number we get. Okay, first int count is equal to 0. Let's say we have first initially we have 0 zeros. Okay, we have no zeros at all. Now what we'll be doing is we will be creating a loop for int I is equal to, and we will be initializing it with 5. Okay, and then less than equal to, we'll be getting to n, and then we will be multiplying it by 5. Okay, and then count is equal to count plus what we are doing, n by I. Okay, n by I. We will be doing this loop until we get to n. Okay, then what we'll be doing is system dot out dot print ln. We will be showing our output as count. Okay, basically we are just adding it and adding it and adding it. Okay, first we were doing n by I, then we multiplied I with 5, then again we get the number, then we add it, then we get n, then we again multiplied it by 5, we get 1. That's how we get 49 zeros. Okay, let's run it. Let's say 200. No, let's say 20 with 20. What we get? 4 zeros. Okay, 4 trailing zeros we get. Now again, what we are getting? 200 by, we get 49 zeros. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next video.